So sick to fly my drone right through here.
You 100% should.
Dang!
Alright, 3, 2,
Brandon ended up with a loss of hearing because the whole entire cab in the back felt like it was going to fall apart.
Day 2 of Electrify Expo was absolutely insane. So we have to walk through everything just like normal, and we're planning out a drone route. Yes, a drone route. I'm going to be using the DJI Avata to fly through and showcase this. Make sure you check out the video I did for it in the description below the like button. Showed off all the companies, the entire Electrify Expo. Of course, we got permission from the big boss man, and he loved the idea. So we're in a bit of a time crunch right now. Not my fault. Not. Yeah. We met up with some friends, other Tesla owners that, you know, we talk online, but we've never seen in person. We finally got to meet. Oh, what's up? I'm teslafpv. Yeah, my name is Brandon. Oh, nice to meet you, man. And then this is the big one. I got to shoot for Ford. Yeah. What about me? I put a heart emoji. Yes, Ford Performance. I followed their track car. Make sure you check out that video. It is in the description below the like button as well. This one was absolutely insane. And then I got to ride in it. So check this out.
There's a little mosquito fall in it.
No chance. Dang!
For a ride, you have a helmet on.
It is.
Are you ready to get in?
Ready.
Okay, let's
I'm ready.
Alright, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright, 3, 2,
I shot some more stuff. All that is going to be on the channel. Make sure you look out for it. Just Electrify Expo stuff. And then we shot another part for the Electrify Expo where we're showcasing their vehicle test drive. That was the last thing we did, and then we did our award showcase where I got a free hoodie. It was dope.
You tell me, because we got to do it somewhat quick because now there's BMW behind us. We're going to do the high speed over there. Do you want me to drive through here?
Just drive, I'm going to follow you. You're good.
Tyler's like, oh God.
I have. But I
Right
hear
here
him.
next to us.
So sick.
Oh, look, he's right next to us.
Polestar crashed. Did it calm? How you going to do that, bro?
Over there. That's the weird part.
Maybe they're not used to tight turns.
Pull back on the power.
Yeah, like when we hit like 80.
I can tell he's getting tired. He doesn't do that stance unless he's tired. Normally he can stand with like both legs.
Yo!
We just got called over to the lounge. I have no clue what for.
Everyone to the stage. 2 minutes. Merc's pooping. 2 minutes. Nobody to the stage. Come like 4 feet closer, and we know you smell. All right, we've all done a ton of shows. I'm gonna say the S word. Ton of shows. Oh, Merc's baby. Merc's baby's cooler than Merc. I worked his. They did a bunch of cool drone video all over. So I just wanted to say thank you. So the whole video, you'll see our team did a video. I did a video. My photographer didn't do anything. And no, so guys, thank you. I'll say thank you at the end. Let's get to the awards. Thank you, guys.
And that's going to conclude our second day. It was so hectic. Honestly, could not record that much because I was flying, working at the entire time. I can't wait for the next one. Hopefully I get to see some people there, maybe some of you guys, some familiar and new faces. I'll try to be in the Seattle one this year, maybe the Texas one, but definitely the Bay Area one again next year. This was awesome. Enjoy the rest of the pictures and clips. Before I let you go, I just want to point out how trashed my car was. This isn't even all of my stuff. I just want to put that there, and now you can enjoy the rest of the clips. I didn't want to keep in the video so that no one forgets how messed up my car was.